Well, hello guys. I am getting ready to go out with my best friend Crystal. You guys met her in my other vlog. We are going to Soho Spa Club. I am wearing waterproof makeup. So I thought today would be the perfect day to test it out because it was sent to me by a brand called Cargo Cosmetics, which I'll show you guys when I get back. So I wanted to try it out, you know, since we're going to a spa. So I was like, I'm gonna go with a full face and see. Oh, it's fogging up because it was so cold in my house. Sorry guys. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. Don't mind my house. We're gonna be selling it eventually, so we're cleaning it out. So I'm wearing a full face of makeup, and again, my camera's fogging up. I want to see if my makeup melts off. I ended up tearing up really bad inside the house because I was putting my contact lenses in and it did not budge. Like, my makeup did not budge. Let me turn this air down. So I think it's gonna be the real deal. I think this stuff is gonna work. So we're about to go to dinner. I'm not going to keep you guys too long. I don't know if I can take my camera inside of this spa. It's all the way in North Jersey, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I want to show you guys my makeup now so you guys can see, and then once I get there and when we leave, which will be later tonight, I probably will film it on my phone. Oh, tell me I brought my phone. Guys, I'm all over the place. I don't know if I even brought my phone. No, I did not. I did not bring my phone. I left my phone in my beauty room. Alright, so I gotta go back in the house. This is what my makeup looks like. And I hope it stays, you know, because I'm about to be out in this heat at a spa and a pool. So, oh, and this place is gorgeous. So I'll get some footage on my phone. I'll ask them if I can take my camera in. I don't know if they'll let me, you know. So if they don't, we'll just get the footage on the phone and you guys will get to see how gorgeous this place is, because I'm dying to see myself. My sister has been there a couple times. And this isn't sponsored. This was a gift from my boyfriend for our 3-year anniversary. So that's right, we've been together 3 years. So this was a gift from him. So I'm taking my best friend, since he's all the way in Miami. Me and Crystal are going. So we're gonna have a good time. So okay, got my phone. About to leave. Forgot to turn the outside lights on. I always forget that, and then when I come home it's pitch black outside and it freaks me out, so gotta remember to do that. I will see you guys at the spa. Actually, I gotta put this clip right here. How gorgeous is it? Spa life. Couples massage. I can't stand her. Oh, stupid. My dress just blew up and everybody just saw my drawers, you guys. I'm not gonna stand on these little things on the floor. Those on the ground, they definitely just blew my dress up. About awkward. I am in New York City today to get a spray tan. Can you guys believe it? So I was invited by Vita Liberata to get a spray tan, and I accepted because I was like, why not? I didn't know that women of color or people of color like my complexion got spray tans. I know that lighter skinned people do, like my sister, but I did not know that I could get one. So I am going to get one, and you guys are going to be coming with me. So this should be interesting and fun. Headed upstairs to Vita Liberata. Exciting! Right, you guys, so I'm getting ready to get my spray tan. This is so funny. So look at my legs. Hi guys! So I'm here at Vita Liberata. I'm getting ready to get my spray tan done. So this is a before. I will show you guys what I look like afterwards. I'm actually kind of really excited to do this because I've never done this before. So this is kind of cool. So I will be back in a minute after I get everything. So this is my after, you guys. Literally bronze, like glowing. It's insane. Like, wait, I'll show you guys my legs in the mirror. Look at this. Look at my legs. So I'm not sure if you guys can see my tan now. I'll have to show you guys when I get home, maybe in like another video. But I got it, and I got my chai. So I'm just sitting in the car waiting for my sister. She went to, what did she go do? She went to go get something from Target. I don't know, so I'm just sitting in the Target parking lot. I didn't feel like going inside. I just don't feel like being around people. Do you guys ever get like that where you just don't feel like being around people? So I'm just waiting for her. But my spray tan is still intact. I got it earlier. We're going on 8 hours. So I'm still a little goldish orange. I noticed that my legs, when it got darker, like outside, like later on in the day, I could really see, because in the sun they just looked really gold, like, but now they're sort of orange. So I'm going to go home and take a shower. It said 8 hours, and I got it at like 1:30, 1:45 around that time, and it is 8:18. So by the time I get home, it'll be like 10, 11. So I should be able to take a shower and wash this tan off. Well, not completely off, obviously, but just like wash it so it can like even out. One thing that does suck is my sandals that I'm wearing are those slides. I actually got them at Target too. These like little slides. So there's a line from my tan on my foot. I thought it might have been on my shoe, but so yeah, that was super annoying because I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna have this like one random line now on my foot, but hopefully it goes away. So yeah, excuse me guys, I'm really tired. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and just knock out. Ugh, I'm so beat. Hi guys, so I'm here getting ready to go into this show.
I like have my
Excited. New York City. I literally just went for an hour and a half. I have to do better, you guys. I did RSVP to a party tonight, but I just want to go home. It's wet, it's rainy, it's cold. I'm PMSing. I just didn't feel like mingling. I wasn't in that kind of a mood. And the party's not till like after 10, I think, and the show is at 9. So I got RSVP to another show too, but like I don't think I can do the show and the party and all and get back here on time. I don't even know if a train runs that late. So I was like, let me take my butt home but the show was amazing. I had such a good time. My first fashion show. You guys, I get invited to fashion shows every year and I never RSVP, but I'm trying to do better and go out more. Ooh, look at these highlights, you guys. This highlight is crazy. I'm trying to do better and go out more and go to events and these different PR events and stuff that I get invited to. So hopefully you're gonna see a lot more of that on my channel, God willing. I'm trying to integrate myself into society, as so to speak. So yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the little fashion shows. It was a collective show. I will list all the designers underneath this video because I don't know them off the top of my head right now, so I will definitely list them for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say hey real quick. I know I really didn't talk to you guys before I went to the show, and that was mainly because I was in such a rush to get to the city. It was raining really hard. I was supposed to take the bus, and then the bus was sold out, so I had to drive all the way to the train, which is like 45 minutes from my house. Like, it was just a mess. I literally just made the train. If the train hadn't sat on the tracks for like a minute and a half, I wouldn't have made the train. So I wouldn't have been anywhere today. I would have been home. So I'm glad that I even got a chance to go. So thank you to the PR team for inviting me. I'm so grateful, and I will definitely be going to more. I did get invited to another one on Wednesday. I might go to that. It hasn't been confirmed yet, but if it does get confirmed, I'll probably go. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi, love you guys, and I will talk to you later.